Hi, lovely people. How are you? And make sure you leave down in the comment section how your day is going. So, if you read from my title, I have a new subscription on my channel, our channel. It's called Create the Life You Dream. So, on my community tab, I've been saying I'm going to change up my channel a little bit, and I canceled a lot of subscription boxes because a lot of us unboxing channels are kind of unboxing the same boxes, and it's like, how many boxes can you see of the unboxings of the same thing? So I did keep like the ones that I really liked, but I canceled a lot and I'm getting new ones. So last month in March, it's April 1st. I can't believe it's April 1st already. Last month I brought in quite a few new subscription boxes to our channel so that you guys can see new ones maybe that you never heard of. So this company did reach out to me. I did get this free for review, but the meaning behind it really wanted me to unbox it on our channel. I truly believe the founder name is Faith, and I truly believe in this subscription box. The meaning behind why she started it. She was a life coach, and her story was, you know, she just didn't have time to have all these clients, and it was expensive. So she created a subscription box to help people out. Let me just read a little bit about it, okay? I asked her when she reached out to me, I said, well, can you tell me a little bit more about your subscription? I'm going to read what she said, what her subscription box was more about. So, she says, Create the Life You Dream is a subscription box who love personal development and growth and want to work on themselves month after month through powerful readings and life coaching online support to achieve ultimate happiness, fulfillment, and joy and become the absolute best version of themselves. It is also perfect for those who are struggling with stress, anxiety, low self-esteem, and need some help and guidance learning how to love themselves unconditionally and recognizing their worth. Okay, so this subscription is $44.97 a month, and it's $6 shipping. So it's like $50. It is a quite expensive box, but you get this subscription. Now, you also get, so Faith works with 12 expert coaches that will be featured in, the box. Every month is a different expert coach, but there's 12 of them. And you also get, you can get, let's see, this is featured in the button, offer something for free to the members. This could be a mini course, an ebook, a free coaching session. And if you get this, you will have, it says, the value to our subscribers and all members will have access to online portal where they will find a lot of free resources offered from the coaches, and they can also gain access to a book discussion Facebook group where they will be able to connect with other members and get all the help they need and support. So what that means is, now life coaches, I looked up life coaches and how expensive they are, and they are definitely more than $50, like if you go for a half hour or an hour, depending on how much you go. And so with this box, you get a subscription, plus you get free resources online, which I love so much. And we all suffer from, well, we don't all, but a lot of us suffer from stress, anxiety, depression. I know I do. I definitely do. My life wasn't always perfect. I have 3 kids. I was a single mom. I raised my kids by myself. I didn't get married till I was in my later 30s. I was 36 when I got married. So my oldest was 16. I didn't have it easy. I raised my kids in low-income apartments, the projects. I'm going to keep it real. I did. I had a lot of depression and guilt that I had to do that. It's a lot of things. This past August will be 15 years I've been clean off of drugs. There's a lot of things in that causes me nowadays to have anxiety and depression. If you guys don't know, my grandmother yesterday made 5 weeks since she passed. I also have a mother that's on hospice. So I have a lot of things going on, plus my own family. And I'm going to take advantage of this life coaching. I think it's a wonderful subscription. I love the meaning behind it, and I definitely recommend this if this is something that you are dealing with. So enough of me rambling. Let's open up the box and see what is in here. All right, so I already opened it up. What am I doing? All right, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. It did come very nicely, had a little sticker on here, but I did open it up. I didn't take anything out of it, as you can see, but I wanted to see what was in here. All right, so this is the April box right there. And it tells you what everything is, and it gives you the prices. So that's good. All right, so let's see. I'm going to pull out. The first thing that I see is this, feels like a bracelet or something. Let's see. All right, so this is a $20 gift card right there. Might be too far back. I gotta get used to this count. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. All right, let's see if you guys can see. Let's put it on right there. All right, so let's read up on this puppy. All right, where you be? Where are you? Lava stone with blue agate bracelet by Gotch Jewelry Design. I'm not sure. Lava stone is excellent for common emotions thanks to its grounding qualities. It is thought to symbolize rebirth and in releasing emotional baggage. Blue agate, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, A-G-A-T-E. Attracts strength, protects from bad dreams, and alleviates stress by reducing energy drains. And this is worth $29. So that is amazing. All right, the next thing is this days will be better. Oh, so that's nice. So, you know, this is like a little change purse, you know, put in your pocketbook right there. All right, how much is this? All right, days will be better travel pouch is $5.99. It says a convenient pouch to carry with you on those days when you feel a little down, to remind you that no matter how sad, nervous, overwhelmed, or stressed out you may feel, everything will pass and better days will come. Amen. I like that a lot. Definitely a lot. I really do like that. All right, so the next thing is this candle. It says, I am brave. Cucumber, wasabi, and cilantro. I smell the cucumber. I definitely smell the cucumber. This is, I think this is what, 4 ounce? Let's see, what does it say? I don't know if it's, yeah, 4 ounce. All right, and let's see what that is. All right, so this would be $12. It says a surprisingly delicious blend of grapefruit and lime mixed with herbal, citrus, and subtle bite of wasabi at the base. This fragrance inspires you to take a giant leap of fearlessly take action. All right, so there you go. I smell, like I said, the cucumber. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad. Definitely, I love candles, so I'm not knocking that. And then you have, it tells you a little bit about the Yo Soy candles. Right? All right, what else? So then we have a bath bomb. So this is from LB. This is for you to relax. And this would be $7.99. It's a 2-pound bath bomb. It says handmade with 100% natural organic ingredients. This exquisite sense of these aromatic bath bombs will delight your sense of smell while enjoying the healing efforts of a spa-like experience right in the comfort of your home. That smells good too. I've been really getting into bath bombs lately. I really have. All right. Oh, so you get 2 of them. And this one is vanilla scrub. That smells good too. So you get 2 of them. Okay. Right? Yeah. All right, so this has a lot of squigglies in it. Let me take that out and see. All right, so then we have the hormone puzzle. You are loved. Oh, so it's just like some kind of things that you can read. All right, so there's a few more things in here. You get a book. It says, #1 New York Times bestseller, You Are a Badass, How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life. That is amazing. I can't wait to read this. That is amazing. Oh, I'm so excited to read that. The Drama of Overwhelm, Get into Reality, Delegate or Die, Fear is for Suckers. I'm definitely excited to read that. Let's see how much that is. So that is $16. So that's awesome. There is Jen Sincero. It is her right there. All right. What else we got? All right, so then we got this bookmark. It says, and the day came when the risk to remain tight in a bud was more painful than the risk it took to blossom. Oh, and okay, I get it, Anne. So there you go. Right there. That's really pretty. So you have a little bookmark. It's the same thing about the bookmark. Book quote bookmark. Let's see. Is it $5 or $3? I can't tell. Let's see. $5. All right. So then you got the 2 inspirational quote postcards. That's what these were right there. So you get postcards. Then you get, what is this? Did you like this month's box? Okay. Then you can like review the box. And then this last thing here is Life Lessons from You Are a Badass. Focus of the month. So you have that. Oh, so this is the summary card of the book. So that is everything. Let me make sure. Okay, you also get, for this month, you'll get access to a private Facebook group for a book discussion and support. You also get access to all members. Check your inbox for more info how to access. And members giveaway for a chance to get your next box for free. So that is everything. I really like the online access, the resources that you get for free. I definitely think that's amazing. That's what drew me to this box when she reached out to me. I think that is great. I know there are people that can't afford to go to life coaches or therapists or psychiatrists. So getting online free resources is amazing. Let me know what you think of this box. Do you like it? Do you think it's too expensive? Would you recommend it? What do you think? I do have a discount code that saves you 10% off. I will also leave that down in the description box. Check it out. And that's everything. Let me know what you think. I really love what this box stands for. I really, truly do. All right, guys, please like this video if you like unboxings. Like this video if you're ready for me to do some get readies with me. There are going to be some changes for this channel in April. I will still do my unboxings. That will not change. But I cancel some subscriptions so that I can make some time to do some get readies with me, to do some wear tests, to do some hauls, what you guys have been asking for. All right, guys, I love you. As always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.